This is the story of a dog that has seen, experienced and travelled to more countries than most humans. But he wasn't really a dog. Sure, he did all the usual dog things, playing fetch, chewing sticks, running.
Oh, how he loved running. AJ was family, because family, well, they are there for it all. Every triumph, every disaster, every update, every down day. This is what family is, and you'll never find better family than a dog.
Welcome to AJ's story, a story that for many of you began 6 years ago when he started sharing his adventures here on YouTube. But to us, his story starts before that. We need to go back a bit further. Did he get you?
Yeah. It was almost 12 years ago when at just 8 months old, AJ found himself in a rescue centre. No home and no family. His starting life wasn't the easiest.
But this young couple, still a bit hungover from their early 20s, had started to build a family of the furry kind. Not only was AJ about to gain 2 humans, he was gaining a big brother in the shape of a German Shepherd called Wilson.
And a big sister in the shape of a cat called Summer.
Although if you ask Summer the cat, she is also 100% German Shepherd. AJ was keen to fit in, so keen in fact that on his first day in his new house, he tried to enter through the kitchen window.
He was very unsure of how to live in a house, but once he realised it was warm and cosy, he soon fell in love with it. Of all of the homes, and there were many, that he lived in with his new family, one thing he always made sure of was that he had somewhere warm and cosy to rest, whether it was his or not.
And he needed plenty of rest, because he and his new brother Wilson, well, they got on like a house on fire. They played like crazed lions, and Wilson taught him how to really live. He taught him his clever methods to get the humans tasty food. He taught him how to use persistence to get their attention at all times. He taught them about the joys of swimming in the sea, and most importantly, he taught him about the magic of Christmas. Something AJ was unsure of at first, but as the years passed, he soon come to love it. Kind of.
His relationship with Summer the cat took a little bit longer, but they soon accepted each other, and for the first 6 years, AJ's life was complete. A stable family that was growing up together. A family that he loved and took him to new homes all over England. Good practice for what was to come. As were the camping trips. AJ loved getting out and about, probably a bit too much, as he soon learned how to chew his way out of the tent.
This began his van life journey. A more solid travelmobile was built, and he enjoyed great adventures with his pack. It was a sad time when in 2019 his big brother passed. There was a huge hole in his life, and after long conversations with his cat, they decided a bigger van to go on bigger adventures would be a start to finding a new way.
He didn't like being home alone without his brother, and his travelling holidays always reignited his passion for life.
He put the humans to work. He'd picked his van, planned his layout, and after what he considered far too long of a time, they finally finished his van. A few trial adventures in England were had. After all, Summer the cat needed a bit of time to get used to a life on wheels. They were soon travelling together, exploring new places, new sniffs, plenty of swimming in the sea, and AJ was making new friends.
In 2020, together they hit the road, and the rest, as I say, is history. Happy birthday. Sing it!
Not singing happy birthday.
Sing happy birthday!
Not singing happy birthday.
AJ, I know.
I draw the line at the hat.
Sing happy birthday.
Singing happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear AJ.
Yay!
Darling, I know it's hard to let go. Soon I will hold you again. Longer days when I'm away, but we'll both pretend to be bold.
You enjoying it here, Roost? Eh? Oh, look how proud he looks up there. Such a handsome boy.
He's picked out this one. This is the stick he's picked.
Flowers you brought my stomach in knots. You never seem to be scared. My heart's on pause whenever you're gone. But one day we'll go anywhere. Darling, I've never been.
You seen them, AJ? They're not for you to play with.
We will travel many
AJ, no!
miles. Will we ever see home again? Waves they tower, screams get louder. All I need is your hand in mine.
You want to go out? You do?
We will travel many miles. Will we ever see home again? Waves
I was like, it'll be exactly the same part of the theatre, but they won't do it.
screams get
Awful.
No! Stay there. You love me, don't you?
Now that I know we're always getting closer. Oh, even from afar.
Is he doing zoomies? Don't overdo it, man. Remember your old man now. Go.
I'm gonna have to put him back in, Louise.
I think he's realised that he's
off.
free.
Oh,
What are you doing? Cheeky? Are you being cheeky?
Come on, Doody.
Come on.
Come on. Look at his face. He's like, I won't, I've done my gap.
You're all right, bud, you're all right. You're okay, you're okay. That's it. I know. That's it. You lay down there, that's it. Ready, bud? Ready for a bit of adventure? See how you go.
Oh, he's excited. Say yes. Oh, yeah. No.
Yes, we're going, but come. He's sleeping.
Yeah. He's so cute. He's a good boy.
Where's your head, AJ?